Welcome to our channel. We're going to discuss the scientific evidence behind weight loss on a vegetarian diet. Several studies have shown that vegetarians tend to have a lower body mass index, BMI, and a lower risk of obesity compared to non-vegetarians. One study conducted by the University of Oxford found that vegetarians had a 12% lower risk of obesity compared to non-vegetarians. One of the reasons for this may be that vegetarian diets are typically higher in fiber and nutrient-dense foods, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and nuts. These foods. While vegetarian diets have been found to be effective for weight loss, it's important to note that weight loss is a complex process that depends on many factors including genetics, lifestyle, and personal preferences. Therefore, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional when planning a weight loss diet, to ensure that all the nutritional needs are met. A vegetarian diet is a diet that excludes meat, poultry and seafood, and may also exclude dairy and eggs. Vegetarian diets can vary widely and include different types of foods, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. One of the main reasons that a vegetarian diet can be effective for weight loss is because it is typically higher in fiber and lower in calories than a non-vegetarian diet. Fiber is important for weight loss because it promotes feelings of fullness and helps to reduce overall calorie intake. Additionally, plant-based foods are often lower in calories than animal-based foods, which can contribute to weight loss by reducing overall calorie intake. A systematic review and meta-analysis of 12 randomized controlled trials found that a vegetarian diet was equally effective as a non-vegetarian diet in promoting weight loss. Additionally, the study found that a vegetarian diet was associated with a greater reduction in fat mass and waist circumference. Another study found that a low-fat, plant-based diet was more effective for weight loss than a low-carb, animal-based diet. This suggests that the type of vegetarian diet followed can also play a role in weight loss. Low-fat, plant-based diets are often higher in fiber and lower in calories than low-carb, animal-based diets, which can contribute to weight loss by promoting feelings of fullness and reducing overall calorie intake. Vegetarian diets can also improve insulin sensitivity, which can lead to weight loss by improving the body's ability to use insulin to regulate blood sugar levels. A study found that a vegetarian diet improved insulin sensitivity by reducing inflammation and improving the functioning of the cells that produce insulin. Some studies have also found that vegetarian diets can lead to greater weight loss in overweight and obese individuals compared to non-vegetarian diets. A study found that overweight and obese individuals following a vegetarian diet lost more weight than those following a non-vegetarian diet, even though both groups consumed the same number of calories. It's also important to note that a vegetarian diet may not be suitable for everyone, and some people may struggle to meet their nutritional needs on a vegetarian diet. For example, vegetarians may need to pay extra attention to getting enough protein, iron, and vitamin B12. However, these nutrients can be obtained through a variety of plant-based sources, such as beans, lentils, tofu, tempeh, nuts and seeds, fortified cereals, and fortified plant-based milks. Additionally, it's important to be mindful of consuming processed vegetarian foods, such as veggie burgers and cheese substitutes, as they can be high in calories and saturated fat. Choosing minimally processed foods as much as possible and controlling portion sizes is important for weight loss. In conclusion, a vegetarian diet can be an effective way to lose weight. By focusing on whole, nutrient-dense foods, controlling portion sizes, and including enough protein, vegetarians can achieve weight loss results comparable to those on non-vegetarian diets. It's important to remember to seek the guidance of a healthcare professional and to tailor any diet plan to individual needs and goals. A vegetarian diet can be a healthy and sustainable way of eating, but it's important to be mindful of nutrient deficiencies and to plan accordingly. A well-planned vegetarian diet can provide all the essential nutrients needed for good health.